So I'm doing some shimming and I notice something. I'm just about done with the sector and the spur, and I noticed something. So I took off the delay clip off the other sector and I used my flashlight method, and I could see right through this gear, right through the middle section, and I'm like, what? That doesn't make sense. I just almost got done finishing this and now I can see through the middle of this sector. That sucks, you know. It's not press fitted on there very well. Well, let's see if we can show that again. And then I checked the next one, the same thing. So I checked one that isn't core slash matrix. I think this is core. I think this is matrix. Basically probably made through the same company. This is probably an old, I think this is Aries, could be Prometheus, I don't remember. Okay, but short stroke, 3 teeth. However, looking down it, there is no way to find space between, so it's press fitted perfectly. This is not press fitted perfectly. You can kind of maybe see it right there and show up at the light. And see if we can see. It's not press fitted perfectly. You can kind of see it right there. Now grab the other gear. And you can see it right there. It's not press fitted perfectly. There's little, like, very tiny sections. Now this is a gear that seems to be press fitted perfectly. It is nothing. So what do? You try to press fit these better. Maybe they're not shaped exactly 100% parallel. Well, I'm going to run with it. I'm going to try to hammer it down a little bit, and if it doesn't move any more than what it is, I'm going to go with it, because I don't think this is coming apart anytime soon. It does not feel like it. I just thought that was interesting to notice that. So I'm trying to cycle the tappet plate by hand, and I noticed something. I can't do it. Why can't I do it? There was blockage, and I was like, oh, maybe it's the cylinder. So I'm looking at it. Maybe the delay clip hits up into it or something. And it's weird. At first the tap plate starts moving freely, but then it comes right back. And I noticed that what it was. Very interesting, because I've never seen anything like this. But the tappet plate can be blocked by the cutoff lever, which is right here. You can see that. So the cutoff lever is pressing all the way down right now. This would be up if you had full auto. Okay. And you can see smashing damage on the tappet plate. Right there especially. See if I can get up close. You can see it. How is that supposed to bypass? It just cannot. I try pressing with my hand. It cannot. So the question is, can this cutoff lever come up that high and get stuck and hit that tappet plate? Well, the answer has to be yes, because why is there damage there? You can see damage there. See? Why is there damage in that space? So the answer is yes. This is an issue which will be addressed. There will be some dremmeling just to make sure that that's an impossibility now. So you can see that the gearbox is moving along. JV weld, gears being shimmed, tappet plate being checked. You can see it's just moving along. But there's your discovery issue.